It was the year 1972, and Stephen was not operating at the time, so he was just sitting there doing nothing when he heard a horn. Who could that be? What in the... Gabe, is that you? Yep, it's me. I can't believe it. You're back? Yep, it hasn't been too long, hasn't it? What's he doing here? Huh? Oh, he's being restored. Wait, what? Really? Yep. I am being restored to full operation. Well, that's good. Yep. Wait. Whatever happened to the Cheyenne steam facility? Oh, most of it was torn down. Oh, I see. But some of it is still there as the steam shops for steam locomotives. How long have you been operating? I think since like 1960, I believe. Dang. Well, time for you to get back to being restored. Yep. I can't believe it. He's coming back.